Okay, so let's go for a little drive in this 63 Datsun pickup. So, the shift pattern is like really unusual. It is a 4-speed, and well, I'll just drive it and you can see. So that's neutral. Right there is first gear. So it's not towards you, it's that way. So we'll take off here, shift it down into second. All right. That's third gear. See how I went towards me? You can really hear the 60 horses. Okay, now let's come to a stop. We'll go in and up, and we'll be back in first gear now. So let's go through all the gears, shall we? So that's first, second, this is third, straight down is fourth. Okay. So then reverse is going to be that way and all the way down. Boom, we're in reverse. Look out. Okay, going to stop her, get her back into neutral, and we're going to best thing to do is not get all excited and start bending.